here with Giovanni at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace, and we're making something so cool. And when I say we, I mean you. What are you making?
We're making lobster pot pie.
Yes!
So I diced some celery, some onions, some scallions. I got lobster meat already cooked.
Yay.
I steamed some potatoes, and I have some corn here right out of the can, right? We're just gonna sweat the vegetables. And then we're gonna build the pot pie mix in a bowl. All right, so I'm gonna take some onion, throw some onion in there. Celery's going in. We're just gonna throw the rest of the ingredients in. So I'm just gonna take this. I'm gonna dump the mix in there. This is our wet mix, lobster bisque.
That's brilliant.
Right, going in with a little bit of that. And that's our veggie mix, right? I'm gonna take a couple of these crackers and I'm just gonna crack it in there. We're gonna take this, take all of this lobster and dump it in here. And then we're gonna ladle this mix right on top. Puff pastry though. I take a little bit of egg wash.
Yeah.
And I go around the edges here. Now we're gonna take this, we're gonna put it right on top, and we're gonna pinch. We'll take a little bit more of this, just brush the top of it. Because it's lobster, some seafood seasoning.
Oh.
This goes in a 350-degree oven for about 10 minutes.
And so easy to do. So head to our website, news12.com. Go ahead, try it. I know I'm gonna do it.
Yes, go for it.
Thank you, Gio.
You're very welcome.